Hi, it's Dr. Parikh, and we're going to talk briefly about how to do the peer review for the research proposal. By now it's old hat. You can do it electronically, you can print it out and do it on paper and upload a PDF. It's up to you. You just say, it's mostly yes or no questions. One thing that's kind of nifty, I think, is this way that you can give some feedback about the entire paper's headings. So you can check each of these. It shows you which ones should be in the middle, which ones should be over to the left, and what should be included. So you can check to make sure if there's a mistake and you're doing it here, you could say missing, or you could say you don't have it bolded, or it still says literature review, which it should not. So this is a nice way to just check all of the headings. There's some more open-ended questions, and it leads you through the introduction to the present study, the method, measures, procedure, results. And so you can see it gets pretty specific. And there are sometimes like, what is the p-value? And so there's a few different versions, and you can, oh, I just realized, I think it must have taken away, it must have auto-corrected something, because I think I had something like that before. I'll have to re-upload that file so that it makes some sense. So what is the p-value? And here I tell you which one is the right one, because just because you know which one you have doesn't mean you know if it's right or not. Oh, and I left a sentence midway. Yeah, I will edit this and re-upload it in a moment. And it goes through quotes. So you can see this one is pretty lengthy. This is a pretty involved peer review feedback. If you are having trouble with any sections, go ahead and go to next week's videos, because this form you will also do a self-assessment on. So you're going to use a peer review feedback on your own paper and upload that for, I believe, 25 points maybe. And that's really to help you, again, I'm trying to push you to be realistic about your paper and catch as many mistakes as you can before you turn it in. So I'm going to go in a pretty detailed way through each section next week in a video. So feel free to watch that now if you want to. You have to watch it at some point anyway, so I guess you might as well watch it while you're doing your peer review, and then you'll know exactly what you're doing when you do your self-assessment. All right, good luck. Thanks. Bye.